Welcome back to Beyond the Doll Room. I hope everyone had a hauntingly happy Halloween. And although it's not Halloween anymore, it doesn't mean it's Christmas either. No. So tonight is Bonfire Night. Woo! And get ready for the fireworks displays all around. So anyone who celebrates Bonfire Night, I hope you have an amazing time and stay safe out there. I absolutely love watching all of the fireworks. They're amazing. And today we have a few items. We have an unboxing of the Masquerade Barbie. A few of you commented down below that I should unbox her, so I'm definitely going to be unboxing her today. Woo! So I hope you're excited for her. And also, my friend got me a Halloween gift. It is a little pumpkin kit. Painting kit right here. It's a Halloween gift, and I know it's not Halloween, but there's a transition period from now until Christmas that we do over here. So until Bonfire Night is out the way, it's still technically spooky season for me anyway. So we'll put that down and we'll do that later on. I'll also leave her Instagram in the description box below. It's her doll account, so be sure to go and check her out. So thank you for that. So sit back, grab your toffee apples and your treacle sweets for Bonfire Night and maybe a warm drink. Relax and let's begin today's video. So here is the Masquerade Party Barbie doll from 2002. So we're going to be unboxing her today. And like I said in a previous video, there's some wear and tear to the box, so that is why I'm going to be unboxing her. It's kind of like coming away there. So here is the box. You have a little cutout of the cat mask on the back, and then Barbie also has her own little mask in there too. So I'm going to try and save some of the box. I'll definitely save the cat mask. So maybe one of my 18-inch dolls can wear that, maybe. And I'll try and save the artwork inside as well. So let's unbox her right now. Ooh, here she is. So here is the Barbie Masquerade doll. She's got a little bit of dirt right there. Let's just move it. I hope that's not a mark. I don't know. Is it coming off? Ooh. Yes. Phew. That was a close one. I thought she had a dent on her head then. So here she is, and her outfit is absolutely amazing right there. Just like I remember it. Obviously, I had the blonde version of this doll. I'd never had this one, so I'm excited to get her out of the box and have a look at her. And she comes with a black brush there, and there are her black boots. I definitely remember those boots. And her little mask right there. So let's turn the box around, and you can see we have one of those wire thingies which are really annoying.
I hate those things.
And then you have some little things to remove right there. So I will go ahead and open them right now, and I'll be back in a minute.
So I've undone the back things, and I'm going to turn her around. Her hair got a little messy in the process, so we'll just pop her out. Hopefully this goes to plan. I want to save the box, so I need to be really careful. Ugh. I think I've missed something. Get the scissors. I think I just... What the heck? Okay, yeah, there's one right there. I missed it. No. There we go. So there she is, and I'm going to pop her out of the box right now. She just fell right out there.
Just be careful. So I'll just put her to the side for now, and then we'll get her brush out. Just be really, really careful with the box, because I want to save it. There we go. So here is, here is her brush. It's a black Barbie brush, plain black, right there. I'll just put it down, and then here is the box. So you have like the other guests in their masks all around, and then a little disco ball right there. So I'm going to try and save this artwork. and I'll try and flatten it out and then store it and then maybe use it for something. I know it's got a hole in right there, but we can probably do something about that. So we'll put that to the side, and then we'll get the star of the show, Barbie herself. Her hair is really crazy because they wrapped this around her ponytail. So I'm going to have to try and untangle this hot mess. What the heck? Okay. It's really tangled in there. And unfortunately, the black band that was holding her ponytail together has disintegrated. So her hair is filled with little bits of rubber. And it's really sticky because of it, unfortunately. So that's a shame. So her hair's definitely going to need a wash. But it's really nice. It's silky. I mean, it kind of is a little dry as well. But then it's a little gooey around here because of the band. But she looks really, really nice. Very pretty doll. And her face looks amazing. I love that like deep red lipstick that she's got on. So cool. So here's her outfit. Her amazing cat outfit. And there's her little tail right there. And she has the fake fur at the bottom of her top right there for the cuffs. And then she also has it around her neck. And again at the bottom of her dress right there. And there's a little bit for the end of the tail to make it all poofy. Just give it a little twirl with her outfit. Right there. Woo! And here are her black boots. They're just plain black ankle boots. And they have a little detail like the leather is folding. So it's got a little effect there. They're very nice boots indeed. A little witch boot kind of. And now we're going to have a look at them great cat ears right there. So here are her little cat ears, and they're fixed on with one of those tags onto her head. And I won't be removing these, but maybe I might have to when I wash her hair. I'm not sure. Maybe I'll be able to get away with keeping them in. So I just need to remove all that. And there's a tag right there to remove. And her outfit, obviously, you can see it's a cropped top, which shows off her midriff. But she's a really lovely doll, and I really loved mine when I was little. And the last thing she has is her little mask. So it comes with a little elastic at the back right there. So let's pop it on to Barbie. So let's hope it doesn't snap. So here is her cat mask on, and it kind of fits a little weird. It doesn't quite stay right on her face. It's not wanting to sit properly. I don't think you can see her eyes. Okay, maybe that's the best we're gonna get. But here it is. You know, it's only made of cardboard, but it's okay. I don't know what that little bit is there. Maybe a bit where they cut out the eye. I'm not sure. They could have made a plastic one. It would have been so much better where they moulded it to her face. But maybe we can try and like fix it up a little. Or maybe just make a new mask. I'm not sure. But there she is in her little cat outfit. Woo! Yeah, this is the Masquerade Barbie. I'm just going to carefully pull her mask back off. And then we'll just pop it down. But yeah, leave a comment below if you have this doll in your collection, or maybe you want to try and get the doll in your collection. Because I absolutely love her, and I'm glad to have her in my collection. And I'm going to be looking out for the blonde version very soon and add her too. Whoop. So here we have the little pumpkin kit, and we're going to paint this little pumpkin here. So let's just take it out of the box. Woo! There it is, little Diddy 3-tier pumpkin. And then inside the box you have some paint, and there should be a paintbrush in here. I'm sure I saw one. Yep, there's the paintbrush right there. Woo! So we can paint it. The paintbrush is a little bent. I might actually get a new paintbrush for it though, because this one doesn't look that great. So I'm just going to pop that down and then grab another paintbrush. So I've just grabbed a few paintbrushes in here. So then we've got a variety for the finer details. So I'm just going to go with this one for now. So this is a brand new paintbrush. I've never used it, so it should be really good. I'm hoping. There we go. Look at that paintbrush. So we will paint the pumpkins. So I'm going to go with the orange first. And it doesn't really give you a guide to show you what you should be painting what. But I mean, it's obvious. Obviously, the pumpkins are orange. I mean, you could paint them green if you wanted, or black. But I'm going to go with orange tradition, and then green, and then maybe black in the mouths. So let's pop this paint open. I'm hoping I'm going to have enough paint. I have paint myself, but I don't know if it's going to match this one. So let's just swirl some paint around. Here's our little 3-tier pumpkin. Woo! So let's start painting it. So let's just start with the bottom tier.
Woo!
So I'm just going to go over the entire thing and then paint the details in after. So here we go. Get some more paint on there. And just paint.
Try not to go over the leaf because I don't know if the green will cover the orange. We'll leave like the finer details for another brush. So let's paint. Woo! Painting a pumpkin on Bonfire Night. Yeah. Okay, let's see. Let's hopefully paint it very well. It's taking forever. Pop it down and get some more paint. Some more paint. Woo! That's my arm. Ooh, I hope you like the fireworks in the background. Just for you. So, is anyone setting off any fireworks tonight for Bonfire Night? I know we will be in the back garden and I'll watch from the window. Ooh. Get his little pumpkin face. Ouch, my arm. Make sure we get that. And then be careful of the leaf. I'm just gonna get it on the box so you can see. So it's just a little easier. Ah, that's so much better. Ooh, I do believe it's better. Yes, indeed. Don't know why I'm being so weird. Trying to fill the silence. Okay, let's get some more paint. Right there. And then we need to add some here. And then some there. And then a little bit over there. Here. Oh no, I got a bit on the green part. No! Hopefully it'll cover up. Okay. Let's get the thinner brush now. So pop that down and then grab another brush. Like this one. Woo! So we'll go in with a finer brush to get the finer parts. So let's just dab that there and then go in really careful. Ooh, it's gone all blotchy. No, that is not what we want.
I'm gonna go in and do the tiny details on the face.
Paint will help, obviously. I want to go and try do the mouth. I might do this off camera. I'm not sure. Need to concentrate.
This is too much pressure. Okay, let's be have shaky hands as well, so it's just not, it's not gonna happen. I'm gonna do the rest off camera. I'll be right back. Whoop. So here is the pumpkin, or pumpkins. So I tried to make it look a little bit more realistic, even though it is cartoonized, but I just added some green to the pumpkin just to give it a more rustic look. And I tried my hardest to keep in the lines in the eyes and the mouth, but a little escaped. And then I added some black around the pumpkin to get the grooves, although I didn't paint the bottom, so I might actually do that as well. But thank you to my friend who got me this, because it's a little cute little pumpkin topping out and it's perfect size for dolls, so that will be perfect for next year's photo shoot in the background for my little dolls.
Woo!
Oh, and I actually forgot to open my Toffee Apple, so I'm going to do that right now because it's melting. Ugh. So I'm going to open it up. Oops. Oh no, all the toffee's coming off it. So I'm going to take a bite of this right now. Oh my god.
So good.
Let's put that down. Ooh, it looks like blood. Also, I fixed her hair and she's no bits of crazy plastic in her hair anymore. She's got a new band and she looks amazing. All nice and done up. So I hope you love her. And she'll be going onto my shelf. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. And let me know if you love the Barbie Masquerade doll, if you have her in your collection. And I hope everyone is enjoying their Bonfire Night filled with
jacket potatoes, toffee apples and treacle sweets.
and lots of amazing firework displays. And I'll see you guys in my next video. See you soon.